Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we got the goat barn, the goat shed. We got it in here. We got old Landon, he's setting up on top up there and he's screwing all the sheet metal down. I didn't film very much of getting it in here and everything because we did it in sections. We just built it all like that. We built the top in a section and we built the sides in a section, and then we come back in and we welded all the side braces. That way it wasn't heavy for us to move it. But I'll show you guys us getting this sheet metal screwed down. It's not like a perfect building, it's just something quick so we can get the goats out of the weather, because there is more rain coming in and we don't want the goats to not have shelter. So I don't know how much of it we'll get done today. Hopefully we'll just get the top and maybe the north side put on there, but we'll see how it goes. That's about as perfect as you can ask for everybody. I'm gonna put one here too because it's used metal. It has a flow to it. You want to get it out of there. And then we'll do all that down there here in just a minute. Skinny enough to do that. We went to Meeker after we worked on the shed, so Ava could run barrels. There was a practice night, and we went down there. Ava ran like 8 times, 7 or 8 times, something like that. And then after that, we came home, and then a buddy of mine called me earlier in that day, and he asked me if we could feed over there. We fed over there. There's a little bitty toy pig, one of those ones you see people walking around on a collar on YouTube. There's a bunch of videos of it. There's one of those. He just got it the other day. My ag teacher, from when I was in high school, he raises show pigs, and they raise those little toy pigs. And he bought one of them over there, so it was just pretty neat. See if old Ruby Sue comes out of here. Come here. Come here. Come here. The full-size pig, and then this one, I don't know what they're actually called, but they're the ones that people put the collars on and walk them. A friend of mine asked me to come and feed for him this evening. We went to a barrel race down in Meeker, so I came over here and fed. I'm feeding for him right now. There might be some baby goats up here. We'll see in just a second. Yeah, we got the little guys fed. Here's that little bitty pig. I don't know the breed. I'll have to ask the guy. My old ag teacher, he's the one that raises these little toy pigs or whatever you call them. He also raises regular show pigs too. I don't know if any of these are his, but last year my boy showed one of his pigs, Landon, and then Landon showed one the year before, got in the premium sale with both of them, so we did pretty good. Come here, little cutie. I hear them. I hear the two other babies out here, but I haven't found them. I just got to look at them here. Easy. Here's this little doe kid. I gotta move these babies up underneath this awning. Tonight it's supposed to be like 28 degrees. So I'm gonna move them up here so it doesn't get cold because they got a good windbreak. I'll set them over here in this corner. I don't know how much you guys can see. Easy. So you want to get those navels iodined so bacteria doesn't come up through the umbilical cord and then they get real sick. There's something else going on out there. I need to go check it out. A different goat is making a whole lot of noise. And that's going to be it for the video. We appreciate you guys coming along. Hope you come back, check us out on future videos, and have a good day.